Hello friends, welcome to VLSI Techno. Today I share the license mounting and server and client setup of VLSI tools. So firstly I talk about some license type of VLSI tool. So in VLSI tools generally two type of licenses are used. First one is node lock, which is single user license. So I show you the node lock. This one is a node lock license. Okay, and second one are floating license, which are is further subdivided into two types. First is non-redundant floating license. This is a non-redundant floating license. This is a same Xilinx license tools. This is a non-redundant license floating license, and this is a node lock. Actually, here is already mentioned node lock. So in a non-redundant license, it is a single user license, and single server are used to run the license. And second type of floating license is triple redundant floating license. This is a triple redundant floating license. This one is here. Here is the mention server 1 servers. There are present 3 servers. Here you put the host name of first server, MAC ID of first server. Here we put host name of second server. Here we put MAC address of second server, and here put MAC address of third server. So this is the triple server based license. So now we have started with Xilinx licensing. So this is a Xilinx licensing license file. Actually this is node lock, and this one is a floating non-redundant floating license. Okay, so if you're talking about license managing tools, so here is a license management tools. There are Xilinx provide two license management tools. First one is for Windows, and second one for Linux. Second one for Linux. And if you want to download, you can download. But really, I want to say that there is no need to download the license management tools. Actually, when open the tools, they are already present license management. So I open the license tools here. Okay, go to Vivado and open 2006 to go to bin and go to unwrapped. Open this one, and here actually when we look this file, here in this file we look lmgrd file, this one lm utility files and many things. So if you in really there is no need to install any license management tools. Okay, so if you want to install if you want to mount your license file, then we have to use the command. So firstly open terminals and type the command, this command, and here we put license with path. Okay, so I saw the demo. Okay, for that for demo I copy the any license demo file and paste here. It is better to paste in your license manager here unwrapped folder. So use that command lmgrd -c name of license file, and press enter. So it will show the licensing. If license is mount, it show like that. Here one important thing I want to mention actually here, you will also create a log file. So use the same file, we add extra hyphen debug, you put any name. Here I put debug log, so it create a log file on that folder. Okay, this one, it show the whole information of your licensing and their property. Actually I put demo file, so it not show any property, but when you put the license file and mount there here using lmgrd command, then it will show. So actually this is a Linux system, so I show in Linux system. For Windows system, when you go to similar, follow the similar way and go to bin file and unwrapped, it choose Windows 32 or 64, and it's so like, so I have a snapshot of this Windows system. Okay, this one here is the, we go to Xilinx Vivado 2014 bin adapt and Windows 32. So here is the lmgrd tool is used for mounting the license of Xilinx tools. Actually here it is for Xilinx. It is similar manner LM tools are available for Synopsys Mentor graphics. So if window is make as a server, so LM tools are required. So this is a window, this is a Xilinx tool for Windows. Here is the tools, this are LM tools. When open LM tools, it's look like that. Here this one, this is LM tools. So we go to configure file, we have put the name, service name, and path of lmgrd file, path of license file, path of debug log file, and save it. So and run the license. So it is the method to mounting the Xilinx license. So now I move to Cadence. So I starting the Cadence license mounting. We go to Cadence tools firstly. This is a Cadence tools. In Cadence tool, we go to tools. Any tools or tools INX86. Go to bin. In bin file, go to 64-bit. If which type of OS we are using, 32-bit or 64-bit. Here is the file lmgrd. Search lmgrd. Okay, here is lmgrd, lm down. Actually these are used for license mounting, license down, license status. So in similar manner we use same command to mounting the Cadence tools license. So I told it is better to copy the license in here, otherwise no need to copy. Just type the command dot lmgrd space c, okay, and put the license. So if I have another location of license of Cadence, so just drag, click on license and drag in terminals. So it put the path of license. So firstly remove the upper column. This upper column is a help when you have some space, like if you using just like this one via and a space. If you put it, it will show error. ALMGID. So okay, if you want to create log file, so similar command you use to use any debug or anything. Debug dot log, extension should be log. You put any name just like demo and press enter. So log file is created. Now we saw the status of this license file. So use the command lm state -a -c and license. So license at home cadence demo. Okay, press enter. So it show the actually this is not a valid license. Actually this is demo license. In here is no, we doesn't put anything. This is demo license. We have to provide this information to Cadence support. Then after the Cadence support generate a license file for you. Okay, so we have they will provide here server. Here is the host name of your server and MAC address of your servers, and DSLMD. Actually this is a daemon. So every tools just like a Cadence has a DSLMD daemon, Xilinx has a Xilinx D, Synopsys has a SNNPS LMD, and Mentagraphics has a MGS LMD. So here the Cadence daemon is CDS LMD. So this daemon should be this daemon file CDS LMD is in same location. We have put the location of this file. So go to tools. Here is already present CDS daemon. So just type CDS daemon. So CDS LMD, actually this one, this is the CDS LMD. So if you want to know the location of your this file, just press Ctrl L. So it show the location of file and change in file. Actually this is demo, so I am showing just like that. So this is a file. In last we use CDS LMD. Okay, after the mounting and when you use the command lm state, this one here is showing invalid. Actually not a valid license used. So when you use valid license, your status is showing like that. Here is the triple redundant license file. Here when we use the status command and putting the license, then it will show when license mount, it show like that. Your server is on, license files on server, VLSI server, actually the VLSI server. So it's here is the VLSI server, license server up, and daemon status on, and serial MD is up. So it is now license is mounting and it license is working. It show the status of licensing. If okay, so this is the Cadence license mounting. Now we move to Mentagraphic. So for Mentagraphic, there in similar manner there is no need to install of Mentagraphic license manager tools. Already Mentagraphic provide a tools name Eldo AMS. In Eldo AMS a file AOL. So go to AOL, go to bin. In bin file we look LMGRD. Okay, when we type LMGRD, it shows LMGRD LM down. When we want to mount down your license, so use LM down. Similar, we have use similar command, just LM down space C and license name. Okay, and press enter. Then it will ask option to if you want to down your license, then press yes, sorry, type yes, or just type Y. and then enter, then it will automatically down your licensing. Then we have to when if you want to restart it again license mounting, then we have to type the this command lmgrd, same command to start your license. And if license mount and want to show the status of your license, use this one command and license. Okay, and press enter, so it show the status of your license. For Menta graphic, I have also create a demo file. So firstly type the command lmgrd. Not necessary to go on license bin file. If you want to go move from here, yeah, you can also do the same thing. So for that we have to use firstly this one, go to mentor, then hello, location of a file actually. So and lmgrd, and type. So it is same the previous one, and put the license files. Actually the license is here is location of license. So we type the mentor demo, and if you want to create log files, type it will create a log file also. So this is log file. Actually license is not proper, so it not working, showing any status. But after the using this command, if you want to know the status using same manner, lastly we have to change this. So when move press upper arrow, it will show previous license. So just change this one and license. So license is mentor, and press enter. So actually license invalid, so that is looking like that. Actually here we using a demo of triple redundant license. So I have a status of a lm states of a license file. So I show you how look like that. So this one, the state showing the status of file. Actually this is a triple redundant license, so it is showing the triple redundant value. This is the site ID of port, actually port TCP port using by Menta graphics. So 1717 is the port used by Menta graphics. Here is the server 1, server 2, server 3. So for triple redundant license, at least 2 servers should be running or mounting, so that license will work. But for a non-redundant license, only one server is used, so that server should be on. So this is the Menta graphic licensing. Now move to move to Synopsys licensing. So for Synopsys we have to use a tool SCL. Okay, so SCL tool should be installed in server system to mount the Synopsys license. So go to SCL, then go to Linux 64 if you are using 64-bit and install 64-bit SCL. Then it go to it will appear Linux 64. If you are using 32, it will appear Linux 32. Okay, go to bin. Here is the same file lmgrd lm state LM host ID, and this is the daemon of uh, Synopsys ASN PS LMD. And for mentor graphics, daemon is MG MGGCLMD. Sorry, MGS LMD. MGCLD, sorry, this is a MGCLD, is the daemon of Synopsys, not MGC. This is the daemon of Mentor graphics license file. Okay, so we are talking about Synopsys. Okay, to continue the Synopsys license installation, so here is the file lmgrd, and this is a daemon of Synopsys tool. So we using same command lmgrd and lmstate. Firstly we mount the command mounting the tool, so we use command lmgrd and license file, and type the press enter. It will show. If you want to create a mount the license file with a log file, so use this extra command, this one, any name, just like log. It will create extra file. Actually file, there is no file here, so if you are using any file, then it will appear in log file here. And similar, if you want to look the status of your server, tap the same command lmstate and license of Synopsys. Okay, and in similar manner, if your license is working, your status is showing up similar as this one I saw previously. This one is for server should be up, and the daemon status should be on. So here is, this is a Cadence daemon CDSL MD for a Synopsys ASN PS LMD, and mentor graphics MGC LMD. Okay, so it should be up, and license server should be up, then licenses will be working, otherwise it will show error. So this is the license mounting and license management installation of VLSI tools. So we talk about license mounting of a Cadence, Xilinx, Synopsys, and mentor graphics. So I will continue the setup of server and client. In next video I will continue the setup of a client and server. So thank you of my watching my videos, like my videos, and comment on videos if any query regarding the installation of tools and licensing of tools. So next video I will continue the setup.